Hello friends, welcome back to the many video guys and my YouTube channel. Today friends we are going to talk about guys iqoo mobile setting, and today friends I am going to show guys iqoo mobile guys screen split setting, how to on split screen, how to use screen split setting, how to do split screen one by one, step by step we'll talk about. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon, like the video guys. So friends, now let's see how to use split screen setting. Open your device phone setting guys. After turn on phone setting friends, you can see this type interface in your iqoo mobile. Friends, in your iqoo mobile, open your phone, shortcut and accessibility setting. After turn on guys shortcut and accessibility setting, friends you can use smart split setting. Click here, enter split screen setting on your three fingers split screen setting. After turn on guys three fingers split screen setting. Example guys, on YouTube app. After turn on YouTube app, use your three finger and split your screen. And friends, now you can add one more screen. Example, I will add Google app screen. So friends, with YouTube app you can use Google app screen. When you will connect Wi-Fi, when you will on mobile data, you can use it. So friends, you have Wi-Fi, so connect Wi-Fi network, and you have mobile data, so when you can on mobile data, and now you can use your split screen setting. Click here, YouTube app and Google app friends, you can use it. So like that friends, we can use split screen setting in iqoo mobile, and you can use two screen at one time. And friends, you if you on guys your phone setting, and guys if you split screen here, so when you cannot split screen is click do not support here. So like that friends, you can use only YouTube app. Some app guys you can use, you can check here this app: album, YouTube video, Gmail app, you can use Google app, you can play your game, you can on calculator. With YouTube app friends, you can on calculator app, and you can adjust your split screen. So bye friends, thanks for watching the video guys.